Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can install Apple Keyboard on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. In order to get the Apple Keyboard on your Motorola, we need to open the Play Store and then we need to search for an app that is called Green Apple Keyboard. There you go. Let's select it. And then we need to install this app over here. So press install. Once you install it, press open. Now we need to enable the app in the settings, so let's go here and then let's enable it. Press OK. And let's press one more time OK. Now let's go back. We need to switch to Green Apple Keyboard, I mean the input method. So over here choose the one that says Green Apple Keyboard, and then we are finished. So if you tap on finished, you will find some settings that you can adjust, and if you open the keyboard this time, you should have the Apple Keyboard. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.